Hi everyone! I've chosen to do my video topic on the different cell types. I continue to be confused when asked questions of, well, what type of cells line this part of the airway? I still got them confused, so I decided to go back and do a bit of a review and figure out how to tell them apart. Guest appearances by my dogs because they won't leave me alone. So, I needed to understand that there is a split. When you're discussing cell types, you have shape and you have layers. Those two are completely separate from one another. You can have any type of shape go in any type of layer. So your shapes are pretty simple. That's where we have your squamous, your cuboidal, close enough, and your columnar. Now, squamous are your nice elongated pancake-shaped cells. Cuboidal are cubes. Columnar are columns. And now remember, your columnar can have your cilia on it, which is the little fingers that move mucus. Your three different types of layers are simple, stratified, and pseudo-stratified. And I think this is where I got most confused. Simple is entirely one layer after another. Now I'll try to do examples of all three types of simple. Squamous would be a single layer of squamous cells. Simple cuboidal would be a single layer of cuboidal cells. Simple columnar would be columns. So simple is simple, just one layer. Your stratified is just stacks. Your squamous are going to look like bricks. Actually, so will your cuboidal as well. And your columnar, same situation, just a different shape. Now, pseudostratified is where I got really confused, and the way I had to picture it is it's still a single layer of cells, but the reason it is pseudostratified is because they almost overlap, given that the shapes are different. Like here, we have what would be some pseudostratified cells. Do you see how they are still one after another? None is totally stacked on top of each other, but they are still interlocking, like you would see in just straight stratified cells. So it helped me to split up my brain and make sure that I had my shapes and my layers separate. I think I will better be able to break down what type of cells are necessary and then what type of layering would be beneficial or makes sense for a certain type of tissue. So I hope that helps you guys.